Hello, my name is Eva and today's video will be about how to create customer. Click on Service Model option that is available on top left corner. In Service Model, click on Service section and select Customer option from it. So this interface will open in front of you. In case of commercial customer, company checkbox should be checked and further details of customer are to be entered. Select the company branch from which you are registering your customer. Then select the salesperson who is appointed to that company. And select the customer category, either commercial, residential or others. Select the customer type and group from which they belong. As you scroll down, you are required to enter billing and shipping address of company. Once the details are entered, click on Classification for entering further details. Select Customer Priority option and set the level of priority that you would like to give. Select the customer level depending upon the revenue that it may generate in future. And then enter religion of customer. Moving forward, click on Article Information. In that, select Service Invoice as document name. Select GST as article type and enter 15-digit GST number of company in article number. And in Print option, select Yes option and click on Add. After entering all the details, click on Save. So now we have successfully registered customer in our system. Now if we want to search out that customer, click on Search button in top right corner. Enter the customer name and click on Go. You find the details of customer below. All the details will be in front of you. After selecting that, customer edit option will be available on top right corner, by clicking on which you can make changes in customer details. So we just saw how we can edit the changes whenever required. But we can also add multiple branches of customer. Again, go to Service Model. In that, click on Service section and select Customer Branch option. Click on Customer Name and search for customer. Enter the branch location under branch name. In Serving Branch, select the branch that will provide service to customer. And enter other basic details that are required. Remember, all details like GST number, phone number, etc. should be entered of that branch that we are registering. And click on Save. So we have successfully saved the branch details in our system. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.